Before the video starts, I will only make an update when this video hits 5 likes. Also, if you want to make my videos better, subscribe, and like, of course. At first, you have to start with a layout like mine's. Recolor the special areas as a help. Make a little map out of the main map so you can use it later. Make a second map over the first one, so you can use it too later. Make it light shine trough, and then recolor your main map accordingly. Build walls around you layout. If they're evelated areas, do them later. Select for your map some themes. They're important to let the player feel uncomfortable. Now work on the elevated areas and fix some issues like the door frame. At last, do some finishing touches with decoration and tweaks.